Hi guitarlings, this is Gray at Hub Guitar. Today we're going to continue our series of fingerstyle exercises for the guitar focused on plucking hand patterns. So today's pattern is going to deal with the 6th string, 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. But it's not going to be a sequential pattern, thumb, index, middle, ring. We're going to do thumb, index, ring, and then middle. So it's a little bit inverted, and that's what makes it a good exercise. So let's begin. We're going to start with an E minor chord. For that, I just need one finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. Which finger I choose wouldn't appear to matter, but then if you look at the next chord, which is the F sharp minor 11 chord, I would like to use the finger that I intend to be in the same place for that chord. So I'm going to take my 3rd finger, if possible, which is my ring finger, and put that on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. And that's going to help me start my E minor chord. Now to get my F sharp minor 11 chord, I just need to put my middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 6th string and my pinky finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. Like that. So when possible, it's nice to kind of build up chords this way by using common notes and common fingers and saving yourself a little bit of work. Now, when I get to the B7 over F sharp, which is coming next, I can actually just put my index finger on the 1st fret of the 4th string and then lift up my ring finger. So altogether, I've got this. To get to that last G, I just need to take my middle finger and slide it up to the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Now, as written, you're supposed to play each of these once, but I think you can go ahead and double that up a little bit. And that's going to help you to focus on the plucking pattern a little bit more and focus less on the switching between the chords. And note that my suggested fingerings that I suggested, I just contradicted myself. I used a slightly different fingering. So those are just some suggestions to get you started, but you may find a way that's more comfortable or easier for you, and you should always go with whatever feels the easiest to do. So that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please stay tuned because I have many more to come. Thanks for watching.